जनाब
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 कैसे
कैसे
हैं
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 आप
आप यस
He's the only Pakistani. A European girl is calling him sexy and he's not giving any response to her. And he's saying, oh yeah, in Dubai I can find a lot of these. So I'm not
Yeah,
interested
actually, I
right
have-
now. Exactly how much late I was?
more than 15 minutes
More than 15 minutes.
I
मेट्रो
haven't
में
done
रश
my-
बहुत था, बहुत रश था,
And I-
पंचर हो गई थी मेट्रो।
पे ही घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर। Hello everyone, so today is Friday and today I have just offered my Jummah prayer in Dubai, and after my namaz right now I'm going to Jumeirah Beach, so जनाब कैसे हैं आप? So right now I'm going from Burj Khalifa metro station to Mall of Emirates. For last 15 minutes I was waiting for one guy and he is here. This beautiful
नंबर की बस पकड़नी है, 81 नंबर की बस।
looking for the bus right now. भाई कहाँ था तू?
बुर्ज खलीफा बीच। तू का कितने बजे आया था? तू कितने बजे?
जब मैंने
सब
मैसेज
रिकॉर्ड हो
किया था,
रहा है।
हाँ, ये सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है,
ठीक है।
तेरी आवाज़ आ रही
क्योंकि
है।
आप आए हो बुर्ज खलीफा से, मैं आया हूँ डेरा दुबई से। डेरा और
भाई,
मॉल ऑफ
English.
एमिरेट्स में
I am making all my videos in English, so you
I
have to
have
speak
come
English.
from Dera, Dubai, and he lives in Burj Khalifa.
Oh my God.
Somewhere around Burj Khalifa, not exactly at Burj Khalifa. So that's why I was a bit late. Exactly how much late I was?
More than 15 minutes.
More than 15 minutes.
I
मेट्रो
haven't
में
done
रश
my-
बहुत था, बहुत रश था,
And I-
पंचर हो गई थी मेट्रो।
We are out from metro station and right now at my back you can see Mall of Emirates. Mall of Emirates. But right now we are going to Burj Al Arab. ये जाएगी कि नहीं जाएगी? We are in this confusion. We have to ask the driver. Yes, sir. Look at the malls here in Burj Al Arab. इसकी तस्वीर लगाओ भाई, इसकी तस्वीर
तो ले, ऐसी तस्वीर ले ले।
Look at the car, guys. Another one is here. भाईजान हम कब लेंगे? When we will buy these cars?
इंशाल्लाह 2 साल बाद।
इंशाल्लाह 2 साल बाद?
आप कब ले रहे हैं लैम्बोर्गिनी?
After 1 year.
इंशाल्लाह।
Look at guys, how clean it is. If it's what? Hawksbay or Dubai?
हॉक्सबे।
Or if it's Hawksbay?
ये हॉक्सबे, this is न्यू पाकिस्तान। तब्दीली आ गई है।
And it's after the walk of almost 2 kilometers or I don't know. This is the view. Hayan, this is looking me a person from Pakistan. Hayan, only a Pakistani can do that, yaar. What do you say? Raya. Hayan, matlab, you can see a love over here. This is Hayan, and this is what? Raya. Hayan, love with Raya.
These are all Arab names.
Arab names. Yeah, these are not Pakistani. guys, that's how it feels when you are in the water. So right now I'm with my Chinese friend, and he is also here in Burj Al Arab Beach, same with me, and he will say one word. You have to say Janab,
Janam,
Janab,
Janam,
Janab.
Janam,
कैसे?
Janam,
No, कैसे
कैसे
हैं
है
आप?
आप
Like this, आप.
आप
No, you have to say like this. You're yeah. Aap. Thank you, brother. Thank you. This is what everyone is saying. Janab, Janab, Janab. कैसे हैं आप?
क्या लिख रहा है?
I'm writing the name of someone to whom I love a lot. यार यहाँ बीच पे आके बॉलीवुड के गाने याद आ रहे हैं मुझे. There's a one song जो ओरिजिनली शूट हुआ था पानी पे ही, घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर. This is what I'm feeling right now. Oh man, this is amazing. Hassan, this is amazing. My friend is standing there. कहाँ है भाई ये? He is standing there. He is saying, no, I am not going to come here because मेरे जूते गंदे हो जाएंगे. तो हम सब एंड में जरा एक छोटा सा लफ्ज़ बोलेंगे, जनाब 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 कैसे हैं आप? सही है आसिफ भाई, थोड़ा सा आगे. सो 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. जनाब 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 कैसे हैं आप? थैंक यू सो मच आसिफ भाई. थैंक यू सर मलिक. ठीक है सर. सो दिस इज़ हाउ आई प्रमोट माई जनाब 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 कैसे हैं आप. आजा मिस्टर हस्सान. So guys, what is that? This is China, neighbor of Pakistan, and the two beautiful girls are there. They are from. Hello.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Weili.
Weili.
Yeah.
What does this mean?
It means I don't know.
And what's your name?
Anh ấy Candy.
And this is your name.
Dạ Candy.
Candy.
Yeah.
Candy. Very difficult name, you know.
No,
What
no,
does
no,
what?
Candy,
What?
that's like a sugar.
Sugar. Okay,
Yeah,
Candy.
Candy.
All right, all right.
Yeah,
Her
yeah,
name
yeah.
is Candy. All right.
Yeah.
And you are also from China.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shenzhen.
Shenzhen.
Yeah.
And you are from?
I'm from Guangdong.
Guangzhou. I am from a Pakistani boy from Karachi. Have you heard Karachi? Karachi is the biggest city of Pakistan.
No.
You haven't?
Yeah.
So are you guys
Sorry.
enjoying here?
Yeah,
Having
yeah.
fun?
Yeah. it's
Okay,
very
that's
nice.
why. In the end, you have to say one simple. You have to come.
Okay.
Please come. So you have to say one word, that is Janab, Janab, Janab. कैसे हैं आप? Let me tell you the meaning of this. It means hey, how are you? In our language, it's hey, how are you?
Hey.
All right. So you have to say Janab like this,
Okay.
like this. All right.
Janab.
No, you have to put your finger like this. Janab,
Janab.
Janab,
Janab.
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 कैसे
कैसे
हैं
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 आप?
Up.
Yes, thank you so much. Do you want to say
Okay.
anything? All the people who are listening from India, Pakistan, anything?
From Pakistan.
No, any words, any message to everybody who is listening to you?
Maybe say welcome to China.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
To our fellows in
Thank
Pakistan.
You. Thank you so
Follow
much.
Shenzhen.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, pleasure
Okay.
talking.
Bye bye.
Actually, I want to learn what we say. Hey, how are you in Chinese? So what is that?
你好
你
吗？
好吗？
Ni hao ma. I'm
Yeah.
good. I'm good. Then what I will say? I'm good.
我很好，
Huh?
我很好。
我很好. Ni hao ma. 我很好.
好，yeah yeah yeah yeah。
And my name is Yasir. How you will pronounce that? Yasir Malik? Say Yasir Malik.
Yasir Malik, I think it's
It's my name.
Ashimo.
Ashimo.
Yeah.
Yasir Malik in Chinese is Ashimo.
Yeah.
I think so.
Thank you so much. So guys, this is the story from Burjul Arab Beach. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. And when we are going to Jumeirah now?
Next Friday, inshallah.
Next Friday we will be in Jumeirah. Arridi Vershi Hastala Vista Habibi.
ये कौन सी लैंग्वेज है?
You have to also say Arridi Vershi. Say
Vishi.
Hastala Vista like this. Hastala
Hasta la
Vista.
vista.
Like this.
Hasta la vista.
Habibi.
हबीबी. अब इसका मतलब तो समझा दे.
इसका मतलब है take care.
हाँ.
We will meet next time.
ओके, अरेबिक में?
No. Arridi Vershi is in Italy.
हाँ.
Then Spanish.
हाँ.
Then Arabic.
बहुत आला.
Guys, we are on our way from Burjul Arab Beach to our home Burj Khalifa, and right now when I was taking my pictures, so the girl just crossed me and she says, "What, Mr. Hassan?
You are sexy.
She
says
says-
he's sexy. I'm not sexy. He's sexy.
Is I'm
So-
sexy?
I think she was from East Europe.
East European. Oh my God, Hassan,
Yeah.
where is she now?
I don't know.
I'm sexy. Is
Yeah.
it so?
I heard it. He was concentrating on his.
And yes, I have
he
not
didn't
heard
even
that.
know that this
Yeah.
happened.
This
but
guy
I heard it.
This guy told me that
He's
that
the
she's
only
sex-
Pakistani. A European girl is calling him sexy, and he's not giving any response to her. And he's saying, "Oh, yeah, in Dubai I can find a lot of these." So I'm not.
Yeah,
interested
actually,
right now. Yeah.
I have not heard that. I have not heard that. I was concentrating on my picture, and he was saying that.
I heard
have
that.
you heard
I
what
heard
she
that.
says?
And I
said,
asked,
no.
why
She
didn't you
says-
respond?
She said, you are sexy. I am sexy.